Hello guys! In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create your new YouTube channel in this new year. So, without any further ado, let's get started. To create a new YouTube channel in 2025, start by signing in to YouTube using your Google account. If you don't have one, create a new Google account. Once signed in, access YouTube Studio by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting it from the drop-down menu. From YouTube, navigate to the Settings menu and select Create a New Channel. Decide whether you want a personal channel linked to your Google account or a brand channel ideal for businesses or collaborations. Next, enter a unique and meaningful name for your channel that reflects your content or brand identity. Customize your channel by uploading a profile picture recommended size, 800 by 800 pixels, adding a channel banner 2560 by 1440 pixels, and writing a compelling channel description. To unlock additional features, such as custom thumbnails and live streaming, complete YouTube's phone verification process. Adjust your channel settings, including privacy, upload defaults, and audience designation, e.g., whether your content is made for kids or a general audience. Plan your content strategy by organizing playlists or creating categories. Once your channel setup is complete, upload your first video by clicking the Create button or camera icon, and optimize the video with a catchy title, detailed description, relevant tags, and an engaging thumbnail. Finally, promote your channel and videos on social media, email, or other platforms to attract viewers. Use YouTube Analytics to monitor your channel's performance and refine your strategy to grow your audience over time. Subscribe to our YouTube Infopedia channel for more information and updates about YouTube.